Today's video is going to be a few ritual ideas for the Ace of Coins. So if you're looking at the Ace of Coins, it is the universe handing you some form of the Pentacles suit of tarot. And that can mean money. It can also mean health and other forms of abundance, including harvest and food and those kinds of things as well. So when we're designing these rituals, it is an act of doing, right? It is an action that is also kind of underscoring the meaning of the card itself. So for these rituals, one of the things that I've done in the past is plant a quarter in a pot of potting soil, like planting seeds. That's one example of a ritual that I've done in the past for the purpose of growing money. I'm also a big fan of just taking a quarter out of my little coin jar and washing it, of course, because all money is kind of gross, and then just putting it in my pocket for the day and kind of having it be that kind of symbolic element of holding on to something for the day. You might eat something out of your garden. These carrots are actually things that I've purchased or that I've harvested out of my own garden, and that I am enjoying as a part of this doing, as a way of kind of being grateful for and acknowledging the abundance from my garden and from the earth, but also just enjoying that element of seeing the fruition of my labor in that way. Another couple of things that you might consider is rifling through the pockets of winter coats, or looking under the seat cushions of your sofa for additional coins. This is just another way for like found money to come into your life. It can just be a fun little thing to do as a way of pulling in this cash from the universe, or this abundance, or this health. Let me know how this resonates with you and how this works for you. I'd love to know if somebody finds $20 in a coat pocket. Have a good day.